I buy cash flow. You know, and so somebody asked me, well, what does that mean?
Right, I was just about to ask you.
I got you. So that means that if I want to make, let's say, an additional $10,000 a month, I just go figure out what I have to buy that's already making $10,000 and figure out how much it's going to cost me. So from let's say if it's a real estate standpoint, or let's even say I'm going to go buy a business. Let's say there's a vending machine business for sale.
Have you ever done that?
Just talking about that.
I buy businesses, yes.
Okay, like the vending machine business?
I haven't done vending machines, though. But let's just say it's a vending machine business that's making $10,000 a month, and they're selling that vending machine business for $100,000. You're not paying $100,000. You don't have to even come up with a whole $100,000. You can go get an SBA 7A loan. They'll put up 90%. You bring 10%. So now all I have to do is come with $10,000. I can go borrow that from the bank. And so now I just bought $10,000 of cash flow, and the debt on the $90,000 from SBA and the $10,000 on my credit cards may cost me, let's just say, $2,000. So now I'm net profit $8,000. And so it's all mathematics. And so once we've calculated that, we can eliminate money being the issue, because all I have to do is go borrow the money to buy the cash flow.